if you have been sitting here thinking to yourself, gosh, we need to do something different, you are not alone. Agencies all over the place are looking to do something different. But it starts by not just waking up every day and putting out fires. It starts with your strategy. So if you're ready to dominate next year, it all starts with what you do right now in creating your strategic plan. As many of you know, I'm all about hitting your potential, and your agency has a wide one. Let's put the market garbage aside, put the hiring garbage aside. Stop letting the business run you and get strategic with your annual strategic planning workbook. Now, this thing is robust. I know you're scared. It's over 300 pages, but don't fret. This walks you through all of next year too. So it starts with getting a grasp and a handle on where we are now, including getting out everything you love and hate. We're going to go through a career review, a tech review, a team review. Everything that you need is right in here. Even what reports to run and guides on how to run them. Then we go into thinking about, what do I want? So once we know what we have, we start with what we want. And this is guided up, by the way, in conjunction with this workbook. There's videos that walk you through it, as well as 32 downloadable resources, things like job description templates, how to have an ROI calculator, and how to keep on track with all of this. Everything you need to kill it next year, I guarantee, is in here. Oh, and by the way, you get me when you hit the comments. We respond within 24 hours. Once we get a little creative and we know what we want to dream, the next step is we dive into how do we get there? What is step 1, 2, 3, 4? What are the resources? And then we roll out to our team where we talk about having a launch party, having a kickoff meeting for the year, setting goals, swag, making it exciting, because without your team buy-in, you're going to be up the creek without that paddle. Oh, and by the way, we also address what to do if your team's not bought in, what to do if you get off track. And that's step 5 as we go into how to maintain your plan. I am so proud of this. I hope that you guys can see it. We use it here at APP, and it's been a game changer for what we're able to accomplish. So let me show you a little bit about the internal side of what you get when you get our strategic planner. Check this out, everybody. We have all of these different lessons and courses, but in particular, I wanted to show you a few things. So we start with your course introduction. You've got a few things. Now, I'm just going to show you the downloadable resources so you see how robust this is. You get a copy of this. You can also order a printed version, which is really awesome. You've got your timeline, your feedback survey. Let's get feedback from the team. We have our team member review with no job description, or if they have a job description. Our leadership team performance review, reviewing the competition, a carrier scorecard, technology review scorecard, a sample 10-year vision, a 1-year strategic planning document so you can share it, your agency growth calculator, department 1-year vision, current year organizational chart, a vision for next year, sample future leadership job descriptions, and you can see kind of the samples in here, a sample of our agency standards. What are we walking away from? We don't have time for everything in an agency. Your ideal customer template that you can see, sample process document, sample values, sample incentive plans we recommend, your compensation calculator to show people how much they really cost an agency, your staff's favorite things document to reward them, the launch party agenda, leadership team meeting agendas, accountability partner meeting agendas, department meeting agendas, one-on-one meeting agendas, all hands on deck, and what to do if we're off track with our goal. I mean, this is so robust and full of such awesome things for an agency to have. So then if I come on over here, you'll see kind of like how to work this workbook with your team. Step 1, analysis of the agency and the team, which is so great. Step 2, building your plan, your goals, your key projects, your targets, what outcomes you want, what resources you need to get there. And then how do we get there? What's our actual plan? What are the job descriptions people need? What are the agency standards, the ideal customer? How are we going to celebrate? How are we going to have fun? What's our plan if we get off track? Then we go through our launch party, and then how to maintain your plan. So if you have been sitting here thinking to yourself, gosh, we need to do something different, you are not alone. Agencies all over the place are looking to do something different. But it starts by not just waking up every day and putting out fires. It starts with your strategy. So if you have any questions, let us know. But we can't wait to be part of your journey into creating an awesome 2025.